Welcome students to the next class of the topic apostrophe. Yes, we discussed it yesterday. This sign is related to punctuation in English grammar and it is apostrophe. I discussed the first use of the apostrophe with you, which is contraction. We discussed these words I'm, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are, all in the form of contraction. We also discussed these sentences. Okay, so the way contraction is done in these sentences, apostrophe has another use. It actually has three major uses, out of which I will be discussing two. First, contraction we have already discussed, and the next use is possession. Yes, apostrophe shows possession. Okay, possession means अधिकार, किसी चीज पे हमारा हक होना. ठीक है. Generally, something gets missing in a place and it is where is my pen? Okay. Or somebody asks, whose pen is this? Okay. You said, this is my pen. Okay. So, in such places, at such places, possession may be used. For example, this is my father's shirt. Okay. In fact, very commonly a sentence is used almost everywhere. What's your family name? What's your surname? What's your father's name? Okay. All these sentences, fathers. Fathers is not a plural word. So, at that place, or mothers. Okay. So, at that place, apostrophe is being used. That is why it is pronounced as fathers. However, there is a relation of possession shown there. अधिकार show हो रहा है father का. ठीक है. So, ये जो apostrophe है, ये सिर्फ contraction में ही नहीं काम आता जो है शब्दों के, उसके साथ साथ ये काम आता है possession show करने में, अधिकार show करने में. Okay, for example, the first one you can see Sylvia's book. Okay, Sylvia's book है तो क्या show कर रहा है ये possession show कर रहा है सिल्विया का उसकी बुक के साथ. Okay, Anna's pen. ठीक है, एना का पेन है तो एना का possession show कर रहा है उसके पेन के साथ. ठीक है, कौन show कर रहा है? The mighty apostrophe, mighty. The reason I am calling it mighty because it is very powerful. Mighty means to be powerful. Okay, so we are using this particular term here. Okay, and it again, I'm reminding you again, it is showing possession. Eliana's watch, Mary's bag. Okay, all these terms show possession of something by someone. Okay, that may be one person, that may be several others. So ultimately it represents possession. Okay, so that is one major use of this particular punctuation mark. Okay, so I am again summing up. We did two main uses of apostrophe. The first one is contraction and the next one is possession. Okay, so whenever you use a comma being used at the top instead of the bottom of the word, okay, it means that is an apostrophe which is being used. It is not to be confused. I hope you understand it well. Still, if you have any queries, you can drop them in the comments box. Thank you.